This is the other storage space in here, and this comes with, and this does run the full length of the truck or the camper itself, the bed. So I have a Toyota Tundra 5.5 foot bed, clearly not long enough for this, but I just keep the tailgate down. I got a little porch. This is a pretty good storage. You could definitely fit skis in here, and you can definitely get to some maintenance. There's some of the electrical there. For the most part, I haven't used it yet, but it does hold, and it does run the full length, so it's pretty handy that way. You want to watch out for this. You see how this rusted up a little bit? Be careful with this. You can actually put some WD-40 or some sort of lubricant in these locks. They kind of do get a little stiff, and so you might want to do that.